Hi, today I wanted to talk to you about different ways to show or represent a number. So here I've decided to do the number 4. So first one says words using the spelling, how to spell the word. So the first one is four, F-O-U-R. That's how we spell it. The second one is using the actual numeral or number. So writing the number, 4. Another way is using tallies. So tallies is using lines. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. Once you reach 5, remember, you put the 5th line on a diagonal, and that means 5. Using pictures. So we've got 1, 2, 3, we have 4 happy faces. Also using money. So I chose loonie because it represents 1. So that's 1, 2, 3, that's $4. Another way is using a 10 frame. So in a 10 frame, there are 10 squares, 5 on top, 5 on the bottom. Always start at the left and fill it up that way. So let's count the circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that way still means 4. On a dice. How many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dots. Fingers. You see 2 and 2. That's 4. I'm sure some of you know there's a couple other ways that you can show 4 with your fingers. Using 3 and 1. Or one hand, 4. And using a number line. So this one's from 0 to 10. And we marked off. So we go 1, 2, 3. There's the number 4. So those are 9 different ways to represent the number 4. So let's try another one together. Let's do the number 2. So using words, I'm going to write the number 2. T-W-O. All right. The second one is actually using the numeral. So I'm going to write the number 2. And using a tally, how many lines do you think I'm going to put? That's right. I've got 1, 2 lines. Using pictures. So I have using pictures or things that you have. So I have got 2 hexagons. So 1, 2. Using money. Well, I was lucky to find 2 loonies. So that's $1, $2. Using a 10 frame. So here's the 10 frame that I made. And to represent 2, remember we start at the top left. 1, 2. So that's what 2 looks like on a 10 frame. Using dice. Here's a dice. Let me look for where 2 is. There it is. 2. Using fingers. I can think of 2 ways. Can you? 2 or 2 hands, 1 finger each. 2. And using a number line. So I'm going to quickly make a number line. So I'm going to go from 0 to 10. I'm going to go halfway. Half of that is 5. Then I'm going to do my markings. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I had 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's my quick number line that I made. And I'm going to find the number 2, which is right here. And that's where 2 is on a number line. So have your child practice the numbers from 1 to 5. Once they've mastered a few of the different ways that you can represent the numbers from 1 to 5, then try to go a bit bigger and go 6 to 10. Those of you that master that, and if you want more of a challenge, then try going up to 20. You'll need to make 2 10 frames, use more dice and more things, but it's something that some of you I know could do. Also, when you're outside using chalk, draw number lines out there. And maybe when you're looking around, see if there's rocks or how many cars pass by or how many people are walking by. And you could mark on the number line how many of things that you see. All right, I hope you enjoy today's activity. Feel free to take pictures or post anything on FreshGrade so we can see what you're doing. Thank you. Bye-bye.